Hi there, Thrift Dads. Mark again here. Today we will be installing our Magwell extension for our Glock 43X. So, first up, let's check our unit and make sure it's clean and make sure the edges of your Magwell is cleaned as well, free from oils or dirts. So, let's test fit our new Magwell and check if it is complete. And one thing to note is always check your gun. It's a golden rule. Check if it is loaded, check thoroughly, cock multiple times. Make sure there's no bullet stuck in there, the barrel. And we're good to go. Always check our Magwell extension. See the ridges here, we will be putting some industrial adhesive for this so that it will hold on firmly to the unit. And we will prep and we'll be using a screwdriver for the single screw. That will be for the locking in. Aside from the adhesive, then it also has a rubber lock-in grip. We will be using the Aeron Alpha adhesive gel. Their marketing is they are the most the strongest super glue under the Guinness World Records. Let's test this one. And I think it's made in Japan. Let's test fit first. First, we will loosen the screw for us to be able to insert this freely to the magwell. Loosen the screw a little bit. If it is loosened, then let's try to test fit again. Some little push for flush fitting. Let's loose it a little bit more. Make sure it sits firmly to the ridge, the buttstock. And we'll push. Then there it is. It's a perfect fit. Now let's prep this up. Since they have no ridge line, we will be using the ridge line of the Magwell extension for the glue to sit in. And make sure not to put some glue on the rubber seals for the lock. And let's open this up. So I think there's no puncture. There it is. Then we'll start small amount on the ridge. Make sure not to put on the rubber seal lock. There. enough amount to hold it, but not too many. The other side, the front. Make sure not to over glue the entire ridge because it will drip off. The area of the rubber seal will lock it in when we screw it down. So I think there's no need to put some glue on it. Then we will test fit it and press a couple of seconds so it will sit tightly. Then we'll start screw lock the screw. Then when it's tight, it will be pushing upwards. For the rubber lock to seal. Then press again. Make sure it really sit tight on the ridges. Then one more lock for security. And it's perfectly fit. If there's any smudges, then you can wipe it off with some cotton or some cloth. There you go. No smudges. Then let's let it sit for I think around 4 hours, but since I will not be using it, we'll be sitting it for at least 24 hours for the curing of the glue. So let's test the magazine, how it fits. There you go. A really tight fit and a flush fitting Magwell extension. I bought it dirt cheap, around 400 pesos, or roughly, I think, around $1.